CCTV
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkraya pi na benda ka neat
Ringkat ke jingsen ran lang ki noi lam ka Khasi Author Society u menteri rangba ka jela u konrat ke sangma ha ka sautri u jeleo arja penrio ki layo lat pen sngau ha menteri katnat kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah u belawan chenong ba Shillong ya ka Jingdawa ban Pynrung ya ka Ktien Khasi ha ka kernet bapra kari ti sensiar kari India hau kerwa bela pha skila patai kubor u menteri rangba ulaya thu ba Amit Shah u la pentem ba ki buan ba ki Jingdawa na ki jela ba pher ban Pynrung ya ki Ktien hapo ka kernet bapra ba u angru ba ka Sorkar pedeng kan ha ban Thaw ke Komiti ban bishar penya halor kini ke Jingdawa.
Today, after the NEC meeting, there were different groups that had met the Honorable Home Minister. We had our representatives from the Khasi Author Society, which was headed by the President, Dr. Nonglait, and other members. And they had met Honorable Home Minister and submitted the memorandum for inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule. And the Honorable Home Minister has briefed that there are about 100 plus such demands and that they will be forming a committee to head and look into these different demands and take a positive step, and that both Khasi and Garo language are part of that list of languages that the government and this committee will examine. Similarly, because of shortage of time, all the representatives could not make it, but the Archik Literature Society was represented by one of the senior members from the Garo community, and on behalf of the society, he had submitted the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister for inclusion of Garo into the 8th schedule. Apart from that, there was also a forum of the NEICC where different members from different denominations and different church denominations had called on the Honorable Home Minister and appealed to the Home Minister to look into different aspects of the FCRA Amendment Act, which, as we know, is something that is of great concern. And the Honorable Home Minister was very positive in his response. He has asked the church representatives to prepare detailed memorandum, specifically clause-wise, and that to meet him in Delhi at the earliest and discuss about how to or what are the issues that are of concern to them. And he has asked me to bring the delegation to Delhi, which I will be doing very soon. And he has said that he has the necessary powers to make the necessary amendments, and therefore we should submit the memorandum to him at the earliest, which we will be doing very, very soon. And it was a very, very positive response that we got from the Honorable Home Minister. Similarly, the different organizations and NGOs had also called on them, and they have also expressed different concerns, which I'm sure that they have given a press release and press conference on the different issues and agendas that they raised.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.